Couldn't be more happy to kick this vlog off on my way to New York City. Can't wait to take you guys along and show you the city, as well as this awesome event coming to you on Thursday at 10 a.m. Should be pretty cool. Here we go. Heyo, hey internet. I am minutes away from jumping on the subway and heading to Brooklyn. I'm headed to the DJI See the Bigger Picture event. Rumors been that there's a Mavic 2 Zoom and a Mavic 2 Pro. There's been a lot of leaks on this one just because they were supposed to announce this last month, so this is a big deal for me. Had an awesome opportunity with a full-time filmmaker group to get this chance to go to this event, but gonna be hanging out with some people who I've looked up to and followed for many years, and get to see a new DJI product unveiled, which is like, my goodness, I'm like a kid on Christmas for. So I just had to take a minute and just kind of pinch myself a little bit and realize where I'm at right now and what I'm doing. This is a big deal, and this is really important and really fun for me. So you don't get too often to sit and pause and just kind of reflect on what's happening, but this is one of those days. This is gonna be huge. I'm so excited. Here we go. Alright, so we made it here to Brooklyn, to the event space, just walking in now. Outside now, just about to check out the flying experience that they have here with the DJI Mavic 2. Pretty excited to give this guy a fly. We're right on the edge of the water here in Brooklyn, and they're gonna let us fly so we get some nice crisp shots of the Manhattan skyline. Love some drone footage of the city. I love this city, so excited. Can't say enough good things about this new drone. Wonderful to see what they're doing. Took a great step in the right direction today with DJI. Thanks so much for having us out. See you guys.